This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Susan Pender. Fantastic ocean views from this stunning 4,332 square foot custom home that has been meticulously renovated and updated with many high-end features. Wonderful bright and open floor plan with 16 ceilings, elevator, beautiful chef's kitchen, huge living area with wet bar, office, first floor in-law suite/recreation room, primary with gorgeous new bathroom and multiple balconies to watch the sunrise. Oversized 3-car garage, inviting trellis-covered patio, beautifully landscaped yard, outdoor shower and storm shutters, and many more custom features. For more information, review the details below.